Well, good afternoon. We are here at 5804 Hidden Lane. This is a 6-bedroom, 5-bath, 5,463 square foot, 2-story. This home was a complete reconstruction with the homeowners starting pretty much from the ground up here in Edina. Beautiful landscape though. Very deep yard, established neighborhood, quiet neighborhood. This part of Edina is known for its larger lots in comparison to a lot of the areas. So I'm excited to kind of show you around. We have brick accents and some tongue and groove cedar in the porch. But let's go inside and take a look. All right, so coming on in, we have a really beautiful office. It's a larger office with some great built-ins, drenched in iron ore, some really cool pocket doors to match the inside. So just kind of a fun little accent, smooth ceiling. Wide staircase with a ton of natural light coming in. Then when we're coming into the gathering room, built-ins with windows. Those are white oak custom built-ins with beams to match. Large dining space, kitchen area. They did a mini shaker style cabinet door. Turned out really cool with enlarged vent. Thermador appliance package. They added a lot of fun organizer systems too, so we have a great spot for toilet or for paper towels, compost. Really good organizers. Utensils. Really, they did mostly drawers throughout, and then built-in dishwasher. Door. And this is kind of a hidden sunroom in the back, which I think is just super cozy. Lots of great natural light coming in. Little dry bar next to the dining room. And Thermador columns are pretty cool because they have the auto open and auto shut. A great amount of space. And then mitered edge Cambria quartz throughout. And this is all one solid slab, which is nice. Sometimes, depending on the quartz that you end up choosing, this size would end up needing to have a seam, which would be not very pretty. Little prep kitchen in the back with a lot of great storage. This has more craftsman style cabinet drawer in comparison to the mini shaker. Floating shelves, and I like how they used this additional space on the side where it wasn't deep enough to really do more cabinets, but it's a great little spot for pantry. Writing desk, and the mud room with a stackable washer dryer. A lot of great storage though in this space. Drawers below. Great place to kick your shoes off. Powder room. Well, we'll start by going upstairs. Nice wide staircase. These homeowners wanted to integrate as much light into both floors, so we have this kind of open staircase with windows that extend to the lower level landing too. Wood flooring throughout the hallway. And drywall beams. Turns really pretty. Allow them to get a better angle of how dramatic this hallway is. It extends all the way down to the bonus room. First ensuite. Heavy glass door with ceramic tile all the way up to the ceiling. Great little room. Be their daughter's room. Cruise across the way here. Dramatic, primary, box vault. Windows on the back and on the side, just well, a ton of light. They added the sconces over the headboard. And of course, check out the primary bathroom. It has the auto lights below the cabinets. So if you're walking into having to brush your teeth, that's a pretty cool feature. Separate vanities on both sides. Really nice. Shower. Great shelf, and then also a quartz bench. Now, a lot of times the shelves in those showers really aren't that usable. And then makeup vanity connecting over here to the closet. Organizer system. Nice to have a window in the primary closet as well. And then it connects right over here to the laundry room. Built-ins in the laundry room with a nice folding table, hanging shelves, laundry cabinet. This is the attached bathroom for bedroom number 3 here. It's kind of nice having the separate entries, so then if somebody's in the bonus room, they can walk into the bathroom without walking into another bedroom. Bedroom number 4. Oh. Beautiful shower, ceramic tile, floor to ceiling, heavy glass, frameless door. And then really a fun little bonus room. Nice to have 2 sides of windows and just a great segmented space. On a room. Nice views of the exterior, but really large, really large TV up here, but turned out awesome. And yeah, we'll cruise downstairs quick. So, coming down the lower level, very impressive. Just allows tons of light while you're coming down. You know, so much feedback on full basements. You know, they make it sound like it's going to be such a dark dungeon, but even this lower level, based on how it's laid out, really allows a lot of natural light coming through the staircase. And it feels awesome. I'm a huge proponent of lower full basements. I think that they're underappreciated. Coming in the workout room, hey Tiger, and upper transom window allows a good amount of light. Get away from the mirrors so you don't have to see me, but nice mirrors with TV. A good sized fireplace, great colors and accents. Michael, Elvis, and the other guy. I'm trying to think of which one it is. Coming on back over here, the hard surface flooring is. We have ice maker, dishwasher, full-size fridge. It's an awesome little space to hang out in. Then final bedroom and bathroom. So, vanity, shower, toilet, nothing too crazy. And lower level. One really cool thing that I just wanted to add. What a fun patio out here. This is just a great space. And it also shows you don't need a huge backyard to provide a fair amount of privacy. Just a great little space, and you only get this opportunity on full basements over walkouts or lookouts, and planting mature trees makes all the difference. You don't have a ton of space between your neighbors, but this feels private and a lot of fun. So great little house. Just everything feels so livable in this space. But if you have any questions about doing a teardown or building a custom home similar to this, feel free to reach out to the Hammer Group and McDonald Construction. Thanks for watching.